Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login 8. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to switch accounts on Discord mobile. In Discord, you cannot switch account directly as of your Facebook application or your Instagram. For that, you need to first log out to your account, then log into another account. To do that, first open your Discord application on your mobile phone. Then here you'll be taken to your servers. Now tap on the arrow icon at top left corner. Then tap on you at down right corner. With that, here you can see your profile. Tap on setting icon at top left corner. Then scroll down and look for logout option. Now tap on log out. Before logging out, make sure that you know your password and all the credentials of your Discord account. Now again tap on log out. After logging out, here you can see the Discord welcome page. Now tap on login option. Then here you need to enter your account information. First enter your email address or phone number that you have used to create your another account. Then enter your password. After entering all your credentials, tap on login. With that, you'll be logged into your another account. This is how we can switch accounts on Discord mobile phone. As you can see here, I am able to log into my another account as well. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you liked this tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.